Sitting behind me here is a nice large screen TV, and more often than not when we're watching regular programs on TV we make do with the audio that's produced by the built-in speakers, and more often than not that is quite lackluster. When you're watching a movie you certainly do want more engaging sound, and people normally install something like an AV receiver and a surround sound speaker package, but that's not suitable for all rooms and environments. So there is such a thing as a soundbar, and Sky have one of their very own, and it's called the Soundbox. So the Sky Soundbox definitely has a very unique design to it. It's a very weighty piece of kit. It has a cloth grille that goes around the front speakers and the side firing speakers, and then round the back you've got all of the connections, including of course the power, an optical input and HDMI ARC. Connecting this between your TV and your Sky Q box gives you extra control over the sound as well. Hitting the question mark on the Sky Q remote brings up various settings where you can change the audio parameters, such as a late night movie watching mode or something that really emphasises the speech. Now I found that all of these modes perform really well, with the late night one being my favourite. When it's in normal mode, the bass extension can sometimes be a little bit too much, but at the same time it is still very impressive. So let's take a look at positioning the speaker. Of course you can place it on top of your TV cabinet just underneath your television set, but you do have to take into account that it is quite a high speaker, so you might have to raise the height of your television just so that it doesn't protrude into the actual viewing image. Then you could also put it into your TV cabinet like you can see here. This is my preferred placement because it acts more like a centre speaker, but then you're not going to get the true benefit of those side firing speakers, and you're not going to really hear sounds going around you so much. However, in this position it still does produce a really good sound. And then I experimented a little bit further and actually placed it underneath the TV cabinet, and wow, it sounded really good for me in this position. I was getting sounds either side of me and slightly to the rear of me as well, all produced from this one speaker. The actual speech clarity when you're listening to somebody speak during a movie or a program is very, very good indeed, very, very focused, and the bass frequency, that bass extension, is very impressive for a box of this size. I think the build quality of the speaker is very good as well, and it comes with its own handy little remote control. I do hope that Sky do some sort of update so you can actually control the volume of the Soundbox from the Sky Q remote. Maybe that'll come in the future. But for now, at its full asking price, I think it delivers a very compelling package. And if you're a Sky Q subscriber, you get it at a discounted price, and I think that's a no-brainer. It really does improve the sound or audio quality when you're watching a movie, and you get to enjoy that extra audio quality in normal TV programs as well. If you want to pick up a Sky Soundbox for yourself, there is of course a link down below. Don't forget to hit like on this video, I really do appreciate it. Do also subscribe to the channel. I publish a new tech video pretty much every single day. And if you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll see you all in the next one.